Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of computer. And we are on to chapter 7, which is presentation software, special effects. Right? This is very, very interesting, children. Whatever special effects you see, they're all due to some presentation software. And you will study about them as we move on in this chapter. See, children, here there is a discussion going on between two small kids. See, just like you all, and see what they're looking at is a computer screen. And see what the one child says, hey, we have some knowledge about presentation, but we want something extra. So see what the other child said, yes, presentation software is very useful to deliver our idea or thought in it. Yes, and they are absolutely correct, because presentation software makes others visualize the thing in a much better way, right? Making presentation is a very organized task, right? Making presentation is a very organized task. For making good presentation, we should know more about different tools, right? So yeah, it is a tool. And see, there is one word here, organized. Organized means systematic. It is systematic, right? There are steps involved in it for making a presentation, right? And see what this child in green t-shirt saying, let's explore more. To communicate effectively, you must state your fact in a simple, concise, and interesting manner. This is, see, there are three words here, children. You all know it should be very easy to perform. Then there is concise. Concise means short, right? It should be short and precise, up to the point, cut to cut discussion. And interesting means it should arouse the interest of the other person to see the entire presentation, right? It should not be like uh, that in 5 minutes or 10 minutes the person is losing interest in it, right? Now, any presentation consists of four basic elements: you, your audience, your message, and your tool, right? So these are the four basic elements. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 is a complete presentation software. It provides you helpful suggestions on the layout, design, and formats of your slides. Let's have a quick recap of what we have already read about PowerPoint. Now we are going to study about PowerPoint 2010. Now its features. Right? Features means special points. It enhances your presentation with pictures, sound effects, tables, and charts. The main features of PowerPoint are the following. First, it gives you several ways to create a presentation. That clearly shows that, see, children, it is very aptly mentioned here, several ways. That there is not a single technique of making a presentation here, but there are many, many techniques of making presentation, right? Then second, creating slides is the root of all your work with PowerPoint, right? In PowerPoint we make slides which are desktop screens. Adding text will help you put your ideas into words, right? So we can add text also. The multimedia feature makes your slides sparkle. You can add clip art, sound effects, music, video clips, etc. All these effects we have already studied, right? So there is multimedia here. Now how we work with PowerPoint, how we start it. Click on start, scroll down to Microsoft Office 2010. Click on the small arrow beside it, right? See, all the things are given, shown in this screen. You can see it here, right? All this will appear. And then click the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 from the drop down menu, right? And this is how your Microsoft PowerPoint will come into action. Okay, now for the technical hunt, multimedia is integration of animation, radio, audio, graphics, text, and video. Right? Integration. What is the meaning of integration? Integration, children, here means to unite or to combine. Right? To unite or to combine. You can select from the types of presentation available. Click on new options of file menu to have a look at the available templates or to have a look at the available templates presentation. There are lots of things which are available there, right? You can select either a blank presentation or any other template and then click create. A new presentation with a blank slide will open, right? Then now click inside the placeholders to type your text, right? Write commands of PowerPoint and organize 9 tabs. See, these are the 9 important tabs or the commands which are there in PowerPoint, and they are home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, and acrobat. Right? These are the 9 tabs or 9 commands. Okay, now see this slide here. These are the templates. Right? We are on to this part. These are the templates. Now how to save a presentation. Now to save a presentation, click on save as option in the file menu. To close a presentation, click on close option in the file menu. If the file has not been saved, PowerPoint will display a dialog box asking you to save the changes you have made, right? Now this is very important. See, children, if you will not save the file, then your data might be lost. Right? To open an existing presentation, select open option on file tab and browse for the file you want to open. Right? You can search for the file you want to open and then click on it. Right? Okay. Now what is a placeholder? It's a box with text that indicates the location, font, and size of type that user will enter. Right? You can see there is a mind enhance here also. You can also save a presentation by pressing Ctrl S on the keyboard or by clicking the same button on the quick access toolbar. Okay, now here is introducing slides in a presentation. Right? A slide is an individual place in the presentation. To insert a new slide, a presentation, let us follow these steps. Now click on new slide option on the home ribbon. A pop-up window titled office theme showing different layouts will appear. Then choose the layout of the slide you want to and click on it. A slide gets inserted in your presentation. Right? See, suppose the presentation is there having words only which you have to speak, but in between you have to add some matter there in the form of slide containing some data or all that. So for that, what you need to do is you need to just click on a new slide, then on the home ribbon pop up window with office theme, and then choose the layout of slide you wish and click on it, and the slide will appear. Right? Now see, this small mind enhance given there. If you click on upper part of the new slide option, then a new slide gets inserted without showing different layouts. Alternatively, pressing Ctrl plus N will also insert a new slide. Right? Now how to delete a slide? Select the slide you wish to delete in the slides pane given on the left side. Right? Left side of the screen. Right click on the mouse on the slide. A pop-up menu will appear like this. See, you can see it here. This is the slide and there is the pop-up menu there, right? And then there is click on delete slide and the slide will get deleted, or you can just press the delete key after selecting the slide on the slide pane. Right? There are cut, copy and paste commands also. To cut, copy and paste commands are found on the clipboard group of home tab or ribbon. In the slides pane, click on the small side picture you want to cut or copy. Go to the clipboard ground and select the copy command if you want a duplicate slide or cut command if you want to move the slide from there, right? So I think let us stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.